Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to get the anonymous voice changer. So first, you're going to want to do is just search up lingojam.com. Put Jame, lingojam.com/female to male voice changer. Then hit enter. Now in another tab, just search up ttsmp3.com. And now, what you're going to want to do is type in anything. I'm going to put this. And then hit read just to make sure that it sounds correct.
We are anonymous. Expect us.
Now hit download as MP3. You close the tab for now unless you want to do more. But then change the voice setting to even lower pitch. Then hit load a clip. Okay. And then click the one that you just downloaded.
We are anonymous. Expect us.
Then you can just hit download.